It is over 100 degrees outside, but fall is a state of mind, so it's fall. I got all of these clothes for free 99, so stick around to find out how. Okay, so we all know that we should not feel great about wrongly, and I am in no way endorsing this brand, but I absolutely love this top. Something about this entire outfit makes me feel like a Spice Girl, and I wish I owned it in other colors. So this dress, I got this because, you know, inevitably at some point in fall and winter, you start feeling like you miss wearing bright spring colors, even if they're nothing like you would wear in real life. I don't really wear yellow. I like the color mustard yellow, but I honestly really wear it for photos and videos more than in real life, if you know what I mean. But this dress just like makes me happy. It's very mod, which is my style. Hey guys, so that was my attempt at a little lookbook thrift haul situation because I've always loved watching them. Feels like OG YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed. Everything that I styled, I genuinely swapped for on Depop for $1. And in the video I posted right before this one, I teach you guys how to do that if you're interested. But basically, whenever I have free time, nothing else to do, I scroll through my saved searches on Depop and I like tons of stuff. Then I go through each of them and I message the sellers asking if they would like to swap. If they don't, fine, I'm not attached to things I don't even own yet. But if they do, awesome. It's an amazing way to shop sustainably, extend the lifespan of each clothing piece, and expand your wardrobe. I am literally a minimalist, so shopping for clothes this way is my spicy little vice, because I get to have new to me things without actually accumulating more stuff, because I sell on Depop as well, so it's always something in, something out. So I highly recommend doing it, and I might make a future video to talk more about how I use apps like Depop, Poshmark, etc. to shop sustainably. And if that's something you guys would be interested in, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that little bell icon so you can be notified every time I post a video. Thanks for watching, and I love you guys. Bye!